My name is Kathleen McCallister, and I originally came to see Dr. Anderson in 2017. And I've been to see him for many procedures. He's wonderful. My first impression with Dr. Anderson was extremely positive. He's brilliant, he's very kind, his staff is very personable and accommodating. What really impressed me is that during COVID, I had to come into Dr. Anderson's office. I had several teeth I had to have extracted, bone grafts put in, and the implants. And I was always made to feel very comfortable. They were very diligent in making sure I was well taken care of. Having these implants has made my life a lot more pleasant. I can smile, I can eat food that's not jello or ice cream consistency. I 100% recommend Dr. Anderson's office, all of his staff, including the nurses, very, very diligent. They use general anesthesia. There was no pain. They really care about their patients. Thanks to Dr. Anderson, I can eat the foods that I love.